Cancer doctor, oncologist. Heart doctor, cardiologist. Skin doctor, dermatologist. Bone doctor, orthopedic surgeon. Kidney doctor, nephrologist. Brain doctor, neurologist. Eye doctor, ophthalmologist. Children's doctor, pediatrician. Lungs doctor, pulmonologist. Digestive system doctor, gastroenterologist. Women's health doctor, gynecologist. Pregnancy and childbirth, obstetrician. Endocrinologist doctor, ENT Specialist. Hormone doctor, endocrinologist.